potatoes.
Careful, Al. Let's find some more. Get all the
You find another one?
potatoes. This
Ooh, a
one right
little
here.
one.
Get it, O.
Okay, I'll put it in. Very good.
Find all the potatoes. There's
Oh, you're
more.
finding a lot.
There's more. Oh, get a potato. Let's just get a potato. Help us see with the potato. Is that a potato, O?
Boy, what beautiful potatoes. Oh, these are absolutely perfect
Watch your
little
hands.
potatoes.
Careful,
Oh, I
O.
see more.
Where is it?
Hold on.
Watch out.
Whoa!
I know I saw one there.
Whoa! Whoa!
There was one.
There it is, O.
Ah.
Hand it to Grandpa.
Oh, it's
Your
a
little
baby tomato
Oh,
potato.
Olivia size
Yeah, Abby.
potato.
one. Abby, look out. I gotta get in here.
Abigail, back up.
Ah.
Oh, I
there's
see more.
Potato.
Get it. I'll find some more. All right,
Whoa!
look out.
Whoa!
Oh,
There's
there you
one
go.
right there.
Where is it?
There's one.
See it?
A big one.
Okay. It's okay. That's all right. We'll peel it. It'll be all right.
She's getting tired.
Find some more.
Oh, yeah.
Let's find some more. You find another one?
All right, scoot out. You gotta back up.
Back up,
Careful.
back up.
All right, we gotta find more potatoes in here.
Let me kneel down.
Oh! I see
There's one.
I know my count on you. You're my foot. Wow.
You heard what she said, Mike?
See my prince.
I see
Yeah,
one,
you're
I
my
see
prince.
one, I see one. I
Where?
see one, I see one.
Hold on, we'll find some.
I see
There's
one.
some. There's some girls.
I got
There's two of them. Oh, there you go. Oh, there's another
Oh,
one.
a tiny little one.
There's two of them. Oh.
Oh, boy.
There's gonna be a lot of potatoes, I think.
Good work.
I got one, I see one.
These are the plants that we robbed already. I see one, too, over to the right.
Here's one.
Yeah.
And there's one below
And
it.
another one underneath it.
Another one down there. A lot of potatoes.
I would say so.
Watch this one.
Me.
Oh,
There it is.
Tiny one.
Oh, that is a tiny little one. If you wash these, if you just scrub them and boil them and we have parsley, and throw fresh parsley with butter on them, they're delicious.
No. You're right, Grandpa.
Yeah.
Is that what you did with the potatoes from the other night?
I didn't do that for a while. Oh, no, those are just microwave. The other night, those are just microwave.
Those are just microwave? They were good.
Yeah.
Tonight I will.
All right, girls, let's slide down. You gotta
Slide
back
down.
up.
You gotta go down.
Back up, back up.
Oh, be careful of the tomatoes. Okay.
Back up. I see one.
There's one.
Wow.
All right, you gotta go that way, girls.
Come on, down this way. Come on.
I think there's
Stand
one
over
more in
here.
I don't think there's any more in here.
You want to just dig around with the shovel?
There's one.
Go on, oh, take the shovel.
There's one.
I'll get it.
All right, Abby, take the shovel and dig around. Start digging.
Go back there and
All
start
right, I
digging
gotta-
around. Let your daddy move over this way. You can go look through the old pile.
Okay, ready?
Oh, there's
Potato.
one. Wait, there was a big one.
You got it?
I want it too.
All right, let's
All right.
get old potato. Careful, Abby.
I want it.
Abby, can you back up a little bit, honey?
Well, she was gonna dig over here because I thought you were going
Yeah,
down
let her
there.
go in there and she can just dig and check the stuff.
I want it.
Olivia, go.
Oh,
Abby, go into the corner.
here. Oh, Olivia, go stand next to Grandpa.
All of them.
Olivia, you
Go
stand
that
here.
way.
Go with Grandpa.
Abby, go that way.
Abby, come over here, honey. So come sit over here. Come here.
And here's the bag.
Come
Your
sit over
daddy
here.
finds some, we'll throw them in here.
Woo, woo. All right.
See one right there.
You.
Whoa, look at the big
I see
potato.
Potato.
Olivia.
Olivia, get the potato.
Abby, you dig
Is
around.
that a great big potato? My goodness.
That
what
is a
potato
giant one.
Abby found an enormous potato. That's the biggest one we've had so far.
I see one.
You got one?
I see
Good
one.
eyes.
I like this, Grandpa.
This one? Well,
Yeah.
this isn't really the best for doing it.
I see
Okay.
one.
Use your hands, oh. You can get in there and use your hands.
Oh, good.
Oh, I need
Okay.
you to. There should be some in here, girl.
Oh,
This may be the one that I pulled up already.
sorry, Daddy.
It's okay,
I
oh.
see a potato.
Yeah, there's, yeah, there you go. There, whoa, look at those.
Get them all.
Look, a
Well,
potato.
I even see tiny ones down the bottom.
Get all the potatoes.
Which
Wait,
one
see
is
those?
bigger?
Yeah. There's
You
some,
tell me which one's bigger.
There's some beyond tiny. little
That one's bigger, that's right.
Are these big or small?
Oh, they're fine.
More potatoes, yeah.
Do you
Are
see
those
these?
big or small?
Let's look at the teeny ones.
They look like peas.
Look,
Oh my God, you keep finding the big ones, don't you?
my double. Oh, I do this. Let's dig up there.
They're really not that far below the surface. They're really only.
Some of them are. Keep them.
Wow, that was a big.
All right, I gotta slide down now.
I think I see one.
Where?
No.
I gotta go this way. Oh, wait.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a potato.
Excuse me.
I keep
Ow.
filming your butt.
Stop filming.
It's not intentional.
Daddy.
It's okay.
It's okay. Oh,
Abby, break that big dirt ball. See if there's any potatoes in there. Break the big dirt ball. Yep, break it. Be rough with it. Come on.
This would be what the Fitzgeralds were doing 200 years ago.
Yep.
Digging up potatoes in Ireland.
Should be some in here.
No, I think maybe not, because there was one here that I dug up.
Oh, you already dug it up?
Oh, I dug one up. This I
I
did.
found something
there's
here.
Keep digging. There you go. Nice and dirty. We're going to go home and take a bath.
Well, I'll probably stay and take mine here. Okay. Not that I have anything against your bathtub, but
We've got bath toys, Julius.
oh well, then that's.
We've got a rubber ducky that floats and
Oh, then
fish.
maybe I
Yeah,
will.
one right there next to your knee.
Well, that's what happened. That's how I started. Oh, this one's bad. Can't eat this one.
It's green.
It's green. That's been exposed to the sunlight. That's
Wow.
dangerous.
I threw that pretty far. Ann was throwing the bad tomatoes over there, so I threw the bad potato over there. What do you girls find? Anything good?
No.
No? Oh, Abby's shoes are off. All right, give Mama your shoes.
Over here.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, look what Daddy and Grandpa found.
More potatoes. We gotta go this way a little bit.
Let Sissy use it too, okay? Sissy wants to try it out as well. You can use your hands with these. Come on, Abs, use your hands. Oh, there's some.
Some.
There we go.
Oh, here's a bunch. Who wants to get all those?
Get 'em.
I sick today.
Look at them all.
There's more down there.
All right. Oh, I'm gonna get you a batch of potatoes.
Whoa, oh, wait.
Don't lose that one.
Look where one.
That's a perfect breakfast potato.
Okay, potatoes in the bag.
Look one.
Oh, look at them all.
Oh, get some potatoes.
Olivia, look, a tiny little one.
Little one
Oh,
for
there's
you.
an itty bitty one right there.
Oh,
Right there, yep.
We
A
got this
teeny
one
tiny.
here.
Oli, come on.
Perfect little things.
Little O doesn't want to get dirty.
I see a potato nobody's getting.
Look, another potato. Oh.
Oli, pick up your potato.
Oh.
Oh, there's more, look. Right by Grandpa's bag. Get him out, get him out. Abby, help your sissy.
Look at that one.
Whoa,
Oh, it's a
look
big
at
one.
that one.
Abby keeps finding all the big ones.
She does.
There's another one.
Oh, good job, Grandpa. And Daddy.
Yep, Daddy's doing a good job. Oh, look more.
More.
Look at that. Ooh, ooh,
Oh, there's 5 pounds of potatoes right there.
Wow.
I say ooh, ooh, aka. Cause I about ooh, ooh,
I'll do it tonight. I'll come back and check that side more.
Yeah, I was going to say under here.
Once the girls scoot out of the way.
It's called the ball.
Okay, that's chives.
Yeah. Well, I just got some.
Hey, more potatoes,
Yeah.
There's more that way. There was a dead spot here. There weren't any.
There.
Where they didn't take.
No, I'm not done. Yeah. I'm not done. Papa, Daddy.
See, I don't think there were any in this area.
I need you girls that way a little more.
Okay.
This way.
Like this. Wow. A big coat of fire.
Liv, don't throw dirt, honey.
Okay.
Oh, there's your crown.
You have pieces.
This clip
I thought the rototiller would have chopped that up.
Oh, did that's why it's there.
The fire.
Oh, it stuck to your pitchfork.
What?
We'll have to peel that one carefully. Okay, wait a minute now. Which one was that?
It had a big slice.
These might be different down here. Let me get another bag.
I'm not done.
Still double checking over there?
Everybody buy one.
Look at this. Can you take these?
Mm-hmm.
Mike, pass these to me.
Oh, here we go.
Okay, get down there, Abby.
More
There's
potatoes.
We got more. Oh,
Get them all. Those are nice.
those are good sized potatoes.
3, 4.
And all these potatoes came from potatoes that were in the
potatoes.
house that just
They were
got
just ready
chopped
to be
up.
thrown away.
They would have just gotten thrown away?
Yeah, they were like rotten. They were all soft and sprouting and messed up. And I took them. All right, see, put them in here. And they were like, I would take a potato this big and cut it into like 4 chunks or 5 chunks. Because as long as there's an eye in the potato, that's where it'll start.
Okay.
So you don't need to, like, really frugal old farmers would peel a potato real thick. So they would take those thick slices and plant them,
Potatoes.
and they would generate potatoes. So you get, I mean, you take this potato, you cut it into sections, and you get a bag of potatoes, which is awesome.
There you go.
But you can't rely too much on it. I mean, that's what the Irish did. And the famine hit them, and the potato was the only crop they had, and that was it. Because they're easy to grow. They're not, you know,
Yeah.
as long as you got some halfway decent soil, you just stick them in the ground, and
The potato.
And you
Whoa,
don't
look
need
at
to
that
prune
one.
them
Whoa,
or-
careful, careful.
you don't have to prune
Show
them
me.
or do
Look how
anything.
big that is.
Look, Grandpa.
That is enormous.
That's cute.
That's a whole dinner
It
for you.
is huge.
That one is so huge like you, Dad.
That's big.
It's so huge like you, Daddy.
See, this one's getting a little exposure to light. You can peel that off, though.
Mm-hmm.
There's a little bit of green. But,
That's close. Huge. That's close.
but you don't need to do anything. You don't have to water them or weed them, or they just grow. You don't have to stake them. You don't have to
Who planted chives here?
do anything to them.
Chives were planted throughout the
Leave
garden.
my chives alone. You put them up, chop them up, and put them with sour cream and butter on the potato.